Do you want natural, glossy, and clean skin without expensive? In today's video, I will share with you the rice water. Easy and effective to get magic glue. How to watch the video to the end, must watch rice water. What is rice water? It is white water that is boiled or boiled. Then there are vitamins. Antioxidants, all these things, skin bright, soft, and healthy. Make rice water. Benefits. Rice water. Instant. Natural. It makes the skin soft and malleable and reduces the blemishes and dullness. Massage tightens oily and acne. This is the secret of Korean glass skin. It is believed to be the way to make rice water. Better take 2 tablespoons of raw rice. Wash like a cup of clean water for 30 minutes, soak the water and sift the rice. Water is ready for rice water. How to use a face wash. Wash your mouth with rice water for 1 minute. Massage with light hands, then dust with plain water for quick refreshment and glue. How to two-toner attitude rice. Soaking in water, put it on your face and neck, and do not wash it. Tight and skin smooth method 3. Face picked rice water, plus rice. 15 minutes and then 15 minutes. Use twice a week, 2 to 3 times is enough after dry skin. Important precautions. Before using patches, must apply in master server. Must test rice water. Keep in the fridge for more than 2 days. Do not be sensitive to yeast. Do not use rice water results. When they first appeared, the light gel was clearly different in 5 to 7 days. More quickly than constant use. Better if you like this video. So like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to our channel for more natural beauty tips.